Excuse me. Mm. Especially
Inhale.
seeing the sorry, damn it, I gotta see it again. Excuse me. Especially seeing all of the all of the kids in their costumes and the parents enjoying it and passing liquor to the parents, still enjoying, helping them
Oh
enjoy
yeah, we
the
did buy
kids
liquor
there.
once, so we
Yeah.
gave liquor to the parents. That was
that was like hey.
Oh, that was last year,
Yeah, it was
though.
last year. Yeah. But
we got a whole bucket of Fireball, wasn't it? Was
yeah,
what we
whole
passed
bucket.
out?
Yeah,
Was
whole
Fireball. We
yeah, it
passed
was
out
Fireball. Yeah, it was Fireball, and it was fun, and it was fun, and they seemed the
forgot
parents
about that.
the parents seemed to enjoy it.